welcome. Take a look at this. This is, what is it? Let me hear you say it. Let me hear you say it. I'm sure all of you are saying it. Apple cider vinegar. Yes, this is like, I've been around for centuries. And people have been using this for a wide variety of things. The most popular one is weight loss. It helps to control the appetite. Did you know that? But guess what? This also helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. So people are also using it to make a facial toner. So what I'm going to do for you today, I do not suggest that you use this apple cider vinegar directly on your skin as a facial toner. So I'm going to show you how to use it effectively on your skin as a toner. I'm going to give you a recipe using the apple cider vinegar, showing you step by step how to make that amazing toner. So you can use it to balance that pH level on your skin. You can use it to refresh, hydrate, and also control oil. You have oily skin out there? Oh, the toner is for you. You're looking to hydrate the skin? Done. This toner is for you. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe. Make sure you follow this recipe T to T. And at the end, a live demonstration showing you how to use the apple cider vinegar toner on your skin. Let's go do this. To make this apple cider vinegar toner, we are going to use some apple cider vinegar. And give it a shake. Two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to use some rose water, and we're going to use the same amount of rose water as apple cider vinegar. So that's 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of the rose water. Mixing the two together, mixing apple cider vinegar and rose water. If you do not have rose water, go ahead and use some green tea. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Pour this in. We're going to completely dissolve the aloe vera gel in the apple cider vinegar and the rose water. We're making an apple cider facial toner. Once this is done, an optional ingredient, which is vegetable glycerin or glycerine, whatever you have. We're using 1 teaspoon. And this 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, mix in. So recap our ingredients that we use in this. We use the apple cider vinegar. We also use some rose water. We also use some aloe vera gel. And we use the optional ingredient, which is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is very hydrating to the skin. And now our facial toner is ready. Now if you have very dry skin, this is something that I don't recommend you using oils in your toner. However, you can choose to add a little vitamin E oil in it, or any oil that is rich in vitamin E, not a lot, just about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil, and just blend it in. Now once this is done, we're going to pour this . And there you have it, your apple cider vinegar toner. This is how you use the apple cider vinegar to make a facial toner. Keep this in your refrigerator and use it AM and PM on your skin for best result. Now here is our facial toner. There it is. apple cider vinegar facial toner. And apple cider vinegar facial toner, always give it a shake before you use it on your skin. And you want to use it on clean skin, so you're going to remove all this makeup. Yes, get the makeup off and leave your skin fresh and clean looking. And then what you're going to do, you are going to, if you're using a spray bottle, you're just going to spritz it all over your face, your neck, lightly mist it over the face and neck, and then you're gonna let it dry. Now if you're using a bottle like mine, go ahead and reach for a cotton pad like this one, and you're gonna pour a bit of it on it like this. Just pour a little on it like this. Don't overdo it. Just, you know, make it soaking up. So you're gonna take it and you are gonna press it on the skin. Press it on the skin like I'm showing you, while the cotton is still very much wet. Go down on the neck, on the décolleté with it. And what you're going to do next, you're going to let it dry. Whew, feels so good. Let it dry on the skin, and then after it is dried, go ahead and apply your favorite facial serum, facial moisturizer. And guys, and that is it, guys. This is how you use the apple cider vinegar to make a facial toner. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.